Okay, today I'm back on the Arcadia, replacing the AC compressor. First thing I did, check to make sure the system was empty with the gauge. I ran ahead and pulled the front wheel. Got it up on jack stand. Pulled upper radiator splash cover, the plastic piece that goes over the radiator cap. I pulled the engine cover because I'm making sure there's no leak in the lines or anything. I got that dyed in the lines. I'm going around checking it with my blue light, black light, whatever. So I started putting the bumper because I was checking the AC condenser also, and it looked like it might have a leak at the bottom and down there, but shouldn't have to pull the bumper. So I got my AC lines down there by the oil filter. I already got this bolt off. This one connected to the alternator bracket. I got that one removed already. So I'm just gonna remove the bolt to hold the AC compressor on, and well, the bolts to hold the lines to the AC compressor. This is 13 millimeter. You can't see down there right now. I gotta get my light. I got it on the charger right now. But I removed them lines, and I'm gonna get you back on when I get down there and start moving stuff around. Okay, so now I got both my lines disconnected. I went through the top up here and used a 13 millimeter wrench to get it on the bolt and sit down right below the alternator. I put the wrench on from the top of it down below and screwed it off even easier. I got a bumper off because, like I said, I was looking for leaks also. And like with the bumper off, this gap, you can stick your arm through there, right below the radiator face, and you can put the wrench on. And that's how I'm gonna get the mounting bolts off also. Well, I can get this one off from here. But if I get the mounting bolts off now, I got the 17 belt off. I got the lines off, and I'm gonna replace them also where I got it all. You can see they look pretty trash. So yeah, I just got to get the 4 mounting bolts off now, and it should be ready to come out. And I'm gonna see how I'm gonna wiggle it out. Okay, got the mounting bolts all 4 out. I got the top one from here, right beside the oil filter. It's not so focused. And the rest, I say easier to get the bumper out. Okay, you can really access all 4 from here. And this is what I did with the other 3. I just got them out through here. So I'm seeing it. So I just got to disconnect this right above it, and the compressor be ready to come out. Just gotta see how I'm gonna get it out. Okay, we got the old compressor out. With the 4 mounting bolts disconnected, just reached right in through there, grabbed the compressor off the stud, and we're able to maneuver it right through this hole. I know a lot of people say you have to remove the bracket, but you really don't. It came out without even fighting or anything. So now they have to get the new one and replace it. And the clutch was locked up on it, so it definitely the compressor is bad. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the new one back on, and it should be just the opposite, the reverse of taking it